Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today we have a Chanel unboxing. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. I need to address the elephant in the room, and the elephant in the room is the disgusting travesty that is my nail situation. I feel extremely naked, I feel gremlin-like, I feel like Rumpelstiltskin, okay? So there we go, let's not talk about it anymore. Okay, so Chanel. Now, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I managed to get this, because obviously shops being closed and everything else, and as we know, Chanel do not sell online. So before all this craziness happened, I saw these and I was like, damn, that's me, and she needs to come and join the family, if you know what I mean. By this time, shops are closed and all of that, so I managed to find a personal shopper on Instagram who goes by Momoland Tokyo, and I got in touch with her and I was like, good evening. Today I have received the shipment. Oh, also, this was my first time using Momoland Tokyo, and look, I've only ever used thread styling before, and I have zero issues with their authenticity, but I wanted to make sure, so I did a little bit of super sleuthing, okay? And I went to a load of people that I found who have used her previously and asked for their experience, and everyone had really great experience, zero issues with authenticity and all of that. So, dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, it came with like the Chanel bag and all of that, and the ribbon and the camellia, but we're not interested in that right now. So we have Les dust bags. We have the dust bags. Open her up. We have the little care booklet. Chaussure, thank you so much. Oh, we have extra laces. So, you know how some people love the smell of a new car? I love the smell of a pair of box fresh Chanel trainers. Smells like nothing else. Absolutely glorious. Wow. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Listen, I've said this in my wish list video when I was talking about how much I want these shoes, right? That I know that they look like Air Force Ones, but they're Chanel. So, and oh my gosh, the blue, and I am absolutely living. Okay, let's get into the details. Okay, let's get into the details and then let me try them on. Okay, so we have this glorious blue. So we have the sole made in Italy. It's got the CC print there on the ball of your foot. I mean, just look at that. Then you've got the white. You've got the sodden breathing holes. I don't know. I'm not like a sneaker expert like that, so good on you. Look at that. Look at that. That little Chanel bit at the back with like the terry cloth and then the blue leather trim around it. Look at that. Look at that little Chanel tongue there. She is to die for. Anyway, yes, so as soon as I started seeing them on people being styled, I was like, ooh, we have a problem. So if I'd have bought these in England, they would have been £700. Now, let me break down what I've paid for these shoes and all of that. I paid for the shoes, which came to 30,800 Taiwanese dollars, plus 1,200 for shipping, plus a PayPal fee, and the total was 33,600 Taiwanese dollars, 891 pounds. It's 191 pounds more for these shoes than if I'd have got them, but I can't get them. The leather is deliciously soft. I mean, okay, do you want to know what? Let's get to trying them on, because I could be here saying how much that it is love at first sight, and I mean, look at that. Look at that little like terry cloth on the inside. I mean, just, oh, every angle. Yes, serving us a moment from every angle. Look at that. I love the simplicity, but the fact that there's still like an, you know, so you can just wear a look and then just have that and being like, oh, what is that on her feet? Is that the Chanel, the sodden, yeah, the Chanel sodden trainers, the lower Air Force Ones, but they're like way better. Yes, they are. simple. They do her with white and black. They do her with obviously the neon colorway. I've also seen a pink, but I have not seen anyone with it, so I feel like it's very hard to come by. One of the easiest sneaker styles to style. You just need to make sure, personally, with a low top, I just always like to make sure that whatever I'm wearing, if it's a trouser, that it ends before the ankle, so that it's trouser, ankle, shoe. I don't like it when it's like trouser, shoe. I could be here like absolutely singing their praises and they don't fit, but let's do a little bit of, does anyone else do this? This is how I pretty much know if something's good. Absolutely perfect. Very, very happy that I went for the 39. Also, does anyone else do that? You've got to try for that space at the end like you were taught when you were a child. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Sod off. Look at that. I love them. Simple but fire. Simple but something happening. Casual, easy, light, comfy. You could tap dance if you wanted to, step ball, change it up. Hello. Guys, let me know what you think about the new addition to the Cassie shoe family. I hope you're all keeping safe. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully with nails. Bye.